Sometimes I amaze myself. I mean, yes, what you see in front of you is just your standard, regular, sharp Carousel microwave. But this one, I got at the outlet shop for 99 cents. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it needed to be cleaned up, but hey, when I tried it out, the display panel beeped, it turned on. I mean, when I started, I heard a whoom from the magnetron gun thingy. So, and I did feel a little bit of heat, so since I didn't have a hot pocket or anything with me, I had to take a gamble. Much like that fan. That one works, but whatever, but yeah. So, point is, yeah. Sharp Carousel. Yeah, I cleaned it up before the video. It still needs some more detailing, but yeah. And before we forget, it's a model R-209EK. 120 volts, 60 hertz, 10.2 amps. Manufactured March 01. UL approved. Doesn't say what the wattage is. I have a kilowatt meter there. I'm probably going to blow it up, but so yeah. It's obviously was not made here. It was, I think it said made in Malaysia. No, Thailand, excuse me. And funny story, Sharp Corporation is no longer in Mawa. So, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go get something nukeable, and then I'll be back in a moment. I know it looks kind of gross now, but there's a reason for that. I got one of those Duncan Hines perfect size for one cinnamon coffee cake. Yeah. So, I have a fork. It says empty contents into microwave safe mug. Not sure if this is microwave safe, but I don't really care. I think I spent 25 cents on it. Stir, whatever, microwave on high for 100 minutes and 10 seconds. Cooking time may vary. Refer to carton for details. Tool for blah blah blah. So yeah. Stick that in there. So how long should I microwave it for? It says 110. So here we go. Oh, before I forget, what's the wattage on this? Holy freaking shit. And it's running a little high on the amperage. Of course, this is the first time I've actually used the kilowatt meter to test amperage and wattages on a microwave. Another historic moment here, ladies and gentlemen. I smell something. Survey says, ooh, look at that. Looks edible, but we'll try it in a minute. Okay, I got the thing here. Camera's not quite tilted down. There you go. So let's try it right now. Ooh. Yep, it definitely works. Not bad for 99 cents. So who knows? Maybe you'll see more of Sharon, because yes, I'm naming her Sharon. Don't ask me why, but there's just something about naming a fine young lady as the name of the microwave. I don't know. There's just something like that. Hell, Sunbeam, Sunny, whatever. And the other Sharp microwave, Sherry. So yeah. Now, how long this will work, I don't know. I'm not here to judge, but it could blow up tomorrow. It could blow up next week. It could blow up when I die. I don't know. But I guess until next time, whatever it is. I'm just thanks for watching. Comment box is open.